US government used TikTok for allegedly violating children privacy law. So the US government and TikTok, they have a privacy law that protects kids that are 13 years and below from joining TikTok. But yeah, TikTok has failed to stop children from joining the app and has unlawfully collected personal data. And the US Justice Department alleged in the lawsuit, and according to the lawsuit accuses TikTok and its parent company, ByteDance, for violating Children Online Privacy Protection Act by allowing children to create accounts without their parents' knowledge or consent. And TikTok has also collected and retained personal data from children such as email address, phone numbers, location data, and the others. But yeah, their parents are coming to tell TikTok that they should clear such database that they have of such kids, but they are failing to declare such database they have in their system. Unfortunately, this is not a new development, but summer 2019, TikTok and the US Federal Trade Commission signed an agreement that they won't allow kids from 13 years below to sign up for TikTok. But it looks like since they are not adhering to such agreement, the federal state or the US government has sued them and is asking them to take down the database of such kids. Stay glued to this channel because I'll be bringing you more tech news. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.